Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I am going to show you how to make a slip knot. Slip knots are used at the beginning of many cast-ons, the beginning of crochet, and it's just a knot that is fully adjustable. I tension my yarn in my left hand. Tension your yarn however you normally do, and then figure out how to use either the knitting needle or the crochet hook to do what I'm going to show you next. So I have the knitting needle. Lift the yarn up, twist it, grab onto it. This part here is this beginning tail, and this part here is the working tail. I'm going to take the tip of the needle, go from front to back into the loop, pick up the yarn again. I'm going to hold it with my finger. I'm going to take this loop over and off, and then I'm going to pull, and now I have an adjustable loop. That is a slip knot. Now to do it with the crochet hook is very similar as well. Yarn tensioned however you normally do. Crochet hook, lift it, twist it, hold it from front to back through the loop, yarn over and pull through. And there's the slip knot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy making.